In this video I will show you the top 5 Facebook Messenger features. The number one feature is that the Facebook Messenger is not secure and they are reading your messages with the AI. Just kidding. The number one feature is the active status. How you can get there. When you are in the Messenger with the chats open, tap on your profile picture and here you have active status. This will show your friends when you're active. If you turn this off, your friends will not see anymore when you are online. The next feature is the dark mode. When you turn this on, it will turn the messenger black. The next feature is vanish mode. When you are in a conversation, if you drag the conversation up and hold it, you will turn on the vanish mode. What this means? Your seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. You will also be notified when the other person will take a screenshot of your conversation. The next feature is secret conversation, which is end-to-end encrypted. By default, your Facebook messages are not encrypted. In order to start a secret conversation, tap the eye icon here. Then go to secret conversation. This will start a new secret conversation. The next feature is chat theme. Here you can change the theme of your chat. That's it. Thanks for watching.